So guys, in this video, I will show you classes. So basically what is classes? It comes from object-oriented perspective. So Python is also object-oriented programming language, meaning that you can create the classes, inheritance, you can use concepts here as well. So let's start with the classes. For example, I create a class called science and also make sure the first letter of the class should be capital. It is recommended in all the programming languages. Okay, now it's up to you, either you want to do it. For example, in Java, it maybe throw some error related to this. Okay, so I want to create a default constructor. This is my default constructor. I want to print out something like exotic tag. Okay, so now in order to print it out, I can simply, like before this, I can do one thing more actually. What I can do, I can simply call it like, for example, I want to create an object called X. So to create the object, you simply have to use the class name afterwards. Now I want to print it. Look, I got the exotic tag in the outside in my output. Okay, so what I did, so just for your simplicity, X is my object. Okay, X is my object, science is my class, and what is this? This is my constructor. This is how you can define your constructor in Python. And in constructor, I put some string exotic tag to print it out. So in classes, you can do many things. For example, you can create your own method. For example, I want to create some method. Like before I should do this thing, maybe I can change some value here. For example, I want to change like self dot for like string something is equals to true. Okay, you can do whatever you want to. So I want to create a function, like I want to create a happy function. Inside the happy function, it's a self-made function, so I can write like self dot testing. I can execute, because from look, testing was declared in the constructor, and here I'm changing the value to false. So this is how you can write your own constructor and also the method. So what is the difference between the method and the function? So in object oriented programming perspective, whenever you define something within the class, the that is called method. And method and function has a similar syntax. There's no difference, just the word interchange. Within the class means it's a method, outside of the class is called function. So always remember this thing. So I think that's it. That's conclude how we can use the classes in Python. Furthermore, in next video, I will show you how we can use the concept of inheritance in classes. So guys, don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.